Knowing which keywords to target on YouTube can make a huge difference in your visibility on an evergreen basis. Meaning, if you get videos to show up, at the top of YouTube when somebody searches for a specific keyword, it can get traffic for years on end. Like this example, 531,000 views. It was posted 2 years ago. Still ranks up at the very top. It's a short, actually, which is kind of funny. This is a sponsored video, but we see a couple here, that were posted like 6 years ago, 2 years ago, etc. Right? So to do this, I'm going to show you how to use Semrush for YouTube keyword research so that you can find some of these solid keywords that get a lot of traffic. Ultimately, this tool will will give you details about the search keywords and traffic and everything for Google, not necessarily for YouTube, but it translates pretty well, right? So for instance, keto diet, what we can do is, if you don't already have a Semrush account, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up for a trial and test all this stuff out. But once you're in your account, just put a seed keyword in at the top. Basically, that's just like a keyword that you feel is relevant to what you're trying to advertise or create content around. So in this example, something like keto diet. If we put that in and click search, it's going to give us a bunch of keyword data here. For instance, if we look at all of the keywords here under the keyword ideas, we got like keto diet recipes, keto diet foods, keto diet plans. Maybe, we're like a health coach or something and we want to start showing up more and getting more people who are interested in the keto diet. Well, if we don't know what keywords people are searching for, then it's going to be hard for us to create content that's going to show up on YouTube when somebody does a search. And if you're not already aware, YouTube has a lot of search traffic. It's like the third or fifth largest search engine, at least in the United States. I think it's the fifth largest in the world and second or third in the United States, something like that. It gets a lot of traffic. So knowing what keywords to go after is important. If you're going after keywords and they don't have any traffic, no search volume, then you're kind of dead in the water, right? So we can see here all these keywords, and then next to in this column here, it's the search volume. So this is how many times these terms get searched on Google each month. But again, if somebody's searching for these terms on Google, there's a good chance that they're going to show up, or that you'll find that same search traffic on YouTube, essentially, right? So keto diet foods could be a good one, right? We can just make a video about all of the great keto diet foods. Now, the other thing you can do is come here and put in something like keto diet and hit the space bar. And now you're going to see some autofill recommendations here. These are search predictions. And these usually get a good amount of search volume. So these should relate to what we were seeing, like keto diet recipes, keto diet foods, keto diet for weight loss. We could start typing like food, and then we'll see keto diet foods list, food recipes, foods for beginners, keto diet food plan, keto diet food ideas, so on and so forth. And because we know that these are getting search volume on Google, we can be pretty confident that they're also getting search volume on YouTube. Then we can go ahead and make some content around this, start ranking, getting some of this search traffic here from people coming to YouTube and doing a search for specific things, and ultimately garner that traffic into new business. That's kind of the idea, right? So a very powerful tool in general for search traffic. If you don't already have a Semrush account, again, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up. Also, if there's anything you do have questions about in terms of using Semrush for YouTube keyword research, don't hesitate to reach out. Just drop your questions in the comment section down below, and we'll be sure to get back to them there.
If you're like most new business owners, you're probably struggling to get your online presence established, let alone get it to the point where it's bringing you a consistent flow of customers, right? So that's why I created this free course where I actually walk you step by step through the whole process of setting up your online presence. This is the same process we've been using for our clients for over a decade at one of my agencies. And essentially, I'm going to show you how to set up an SEO-friendly business name right from the get-go, how to develop your website really quickly and easily, how to set up your Google Maps listing, start getting some Google reviews, everything you need in order to have a substantial online presence where people can actually start finding you and purchasing your products or services. The best part is I'm going to show you how to do it in under a couple of hours and all for less than 50 bucks. If you're interested, I'll leave a link below where you can get signed up today. Make sure to check this course out for free right now because I'm probably going to start charging for this at some point in the future. All right, I'll see you on the other side.